Good afternoon, Ski. Look, the guy at the stick shop said, this one's indestructible, mate. You'll never break it. Right, this is a solar eclipse. It's a cosmic marvel, a cosmic event that we all share, and we all have two eyes in our heads, okay? Dos ojos. Zwei Augen. I think it's eyes. So, sweet spot, moon's shadow, the moon and the sun, and a gap of 8 minutes and 20 seconds, or 2.08 degrees in axis spin for planet Earth. I am saying, and you've probably heard me say this once or twice before, the light radiating from the sun is absolute. There is no delay whatsoever. Slam dunk. Now, quite a few people say, look, mate, if you're so sure, write a paper, get it peer reviewed, get it sent to the whoever it is that lies about this stuff, okay? Now, I said this a couple of times before, and this is where it begins. Pay attention. Oh, going back to that stick shot. Maybe not. Follow me. You can see why our sticks get broken, can't you? You can see why the sticks get broken. There's a lot of freaking frustration going on here. Right, now, let's level you up. Now, what's happening here? For those of you who just joined us, my name's Paul, and I'm an observatory buster. And the one that I'm busting right now is the speed of light travelling at 299,792,458 metres per second. It's ridiculous. The light radiating from the sun and all of the stars is absolute. There is no delay. During the solar eclipse, it is said that it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for the photons to travel to us, then hits the moon, which then casts its shadow. We're going to use a stick. It makes no difference. We always get the same result anyway, because if you can see a light source anywhere in the night sky or the daytime sky, you're seeing it because it is powerful enough to be picked up by your eyesight instantly, immediately, at absolute speed. There is no delay in any light that you see. If you see it, it's because it's powerful enough to reach you. This shadow, this stick, that light source, and us here in the sweet spot is why I don't write a report, get it peer reviewed, and send it in to the team or to the people who lie about these things. Why? I tell you why. And this is where it all beginneth. This is where it beginneth. Because it's freaking common sense. You do not need to write any report and get it peer reviewed for something like that. Because it's basic common sense. That's why I refuse to have to say, like to change the speed of light back to absolute, like it's been sit all the way until this lot come along, started to lie about it. It's so obvious, right, that it does. Planet Old. I have been doing this for going on 3 years. More pyramids and stuff, but this light thing, 3 years. Look, I have messaged, atted, hashtagged all of them repeatedly, and funnily enough, not one of them has gotten back to me. And when I say one of them, you know who I mean, the astrophysicists and the scientists and that kind of stuff, the people that talk the science, the people that talk the protons and the muons and the gluons and the sidons and horseradishons, those people. But No one gets back to me. All I ask for is an explanation of how finite light works with a solar eclipse. I know it can't. They know it can't. They're trying to silence me, and I keep coming back. So what is going to give? What needs to give is people need to wake up and smell the coffee. Because when you have a star on your doorstep and you're told its light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach you, and you believe it, you need to step back. Start looking for that common sense again. Because this one is more obvious than the pyramids not being built by the Egyptians. Capiche? Okay. That's why I don't write a report and get it peer reviewed. Alright? Alright? Alright. I'll be back later on. Laters.